Hi, here's the Monostep by BrowXenna, a lash lamination formula. One step instead of three. The result lasts up to 6 weeks. This is a professional product for lash and brow artists only. First, fix the eye patches. Clean the lashes with the shampoo foam, rinse with water. Apply Monostep to the lash length, leaving 1 or 2 mm from the roots. Processing time 5 minutes for thin and damaged lashes, 8 or 9 minutes for medium, and 10 or 30 minutes for thick and coarse lashes. Remove it with a damp cotton swab. Next, mix the dye with oxide and fixing powder. Fix the silicone rod on the eyelet and carefully lay the lashes onto it. Leave it about 8 minutes and after it, clean it. Finish with P-Plex recovery, apply it and don't rinse for 24 hours. Advise the client to sleep on the back for the first day to keep the curl intact. That's it. One formula, one step. The result lasting up to 6 weeks. Like and subscribe this video. See you next time.